Welcome back to Shaun Vlog, and we're here at Dunham Massey. Aren't we, dear?
We are, dear.
I'm glad the sun is warm.
Yes, it's much better. I'm warming up now. Much better. It's beautiful here, absolutely.
How cute were the deer?
The deer are lovely. But I'm saying it's much better here than what I expected. It looks stunning when you're watching videos. I mean, I've seen it on Diane's vlogs, I've seen it on other people's vlogs, but it doesn't do it justice. When you hear it, it looks even prettier. It really does.
House looks nice on this side.
It smells beautiful as well.
Around the back of it's around there, and then there's a little line that you saw on the way in.
It smells gorgeous. So there's a bridge here, which unfortunately isn't accessible, but Shaun thinks that he could get me over. I don't think he could get us to the other side.
Right.
No. No, thank you. There is Matthew.
Diane's here.
Hello.
It's beautiful here.
It is absolutely beautiful. I think it's a good recommendation to come here, definitely.
How cool do these trees look?
Very cool. I was trying to work out what they are, I can't.
No idea if anyone knows.
Oh, there's a sign there, Maytelwood. So that was the gardens done, the rose gardens, and we're just having a walk around the deer park, and it's a really lovely day. Beautiful, it is a beautiful place. So yeah, we're going to go.
Wish you could smell those gardens, because they're just, the smells in there were fantastic.
Smell-o-vision would be good.
Especially the honeysuckle.
Yeah. So we're going to have a look around and have a look at the deer. Aren't we, dear?
Some more deer, yeah. It wasn't very dear here either. If you're a National Trust member, it's free. And it's £8 if you're not, which isn't very dear.
It's not dear.
These are very beautiful deer. And this one's happy, it's enjoying its grass. It's wagging its tail.
Nose going in.
Yeah. It's loving it, Matt.
I'm loving this. I'm like within 10 foot of a deer.
I'll get closer if you want.
Barking up the wrong tree there, Shaun.
Oh, boom.
Boom, boom.
There's a deer in the grass. Hello. And another one. Hello. Those deer are so cute. I don't know what they're doing.
just follow Caroline's point so you know where
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get him back to a better spot.
Very, very rocky.
Right now, Matt. Up here.
Very cute deer here though. They're
I
just
felt that.
beautiful grounds and walks. You're on the stones now. Go on. She's in charge.
Matt. No.
Look at all these roots, Matt. You didn't
Matt,
think that
over here.
through. You did what she said and she didn't think it through either.
I will just carry you across to the smooth top.
You can do that if you want.
Oh, yeah, it's like one side each. Yeah.
Well, that's been a lovely walk. We've just done round Dunham Massey. Highly recommended, definitely. Like I said before, the smells are beautiful. Is that right? Smells are beautiful.
In the garden, yeah.
The garden.
Very pretty to look at.
The gardens, the whole area is so peaceful. It's just beautiful. It really is. I could sit here all day and just enjoy the views.
Plenty of benches around nearby, isn't there? Where you can just like sit and just take in the nature,
Yeah,
just for 5
it's
minutes.
nice. I love
good.
the sounds of the birds as well. It's
therapy.
really nice. And the deers, we've seen some beautiful deers as well.
And beautiful dogs.
Yeah,
this
and
one.
beautiful dogs as well.
I've really enjoyed walking around the grounds and the walk, like just through the bit of woodlands and the gardens, like amazing. All the deer and the ducks, just beautiful. It's so peaceful and just nice to be away from the world and just in with nature a little bit, but have nice buildings and things as well. The hall isn't open yet. It opens a little bit later on, and it would be nice to go back in there. So I'll have to come back and have a look in the hall at some point.
Yeah.
But yeah, just a really nice place. Bring a picnic. Bring your dog.
Bring a picnic, bring your dog and bring your family.
Yeah.
Bring yourselves and enjoy the moment. That's what I would say. Because it's nice. Definitely nice.
So we're now going to head over to the ice cream farm to get some ice cream and some sorbet for Matt and Natalie, because you don't have ice cream.
Nope.
So we're going to check out there. Come along. We're almost at the ice cream farm. Matt's doing the driving. Way.
You're brave.
You want coffee? Ice cream?
No, I don't want ice cream, I just want coffee. But then again, I don't know if I want a coffee because I don't want my stomach.
You want a sorbet in that?
Yes, a sorbet, please.
Well, we're nearly there. Let's see what we get. We're going through the drive-through, but we'll have a look. This is busy.
Cars on.
Drive-through ice cream. Because we're not actually going into the farm, we're just going to the drive-through. Just this way. What do we want?
Thank you.
This looks really cool. You have to pay. You have to pay to go in all that bit. There's like go-karts and
TPs and all.
TPs and all sorts of stuff. But we've got to wait here, Matt,
Yes.
for our ice creams in the drive-through. We bring it out to the window, I think. I think this place will be really good with kids. I've went for like a character tub and they've went for the boring ones. But lots of stuff to do for kids, and there's like games and things that you can buy in advance to play all those. But we just here for the ice cream. And you're getting vegan ice cream?
We are, yes, I'm getting vegan raspberry ripple.
Yeah. Which is good for dairy free.
Absolutely, and Matt's getting vegan vanilla and vegan chocolate.
And Caroline's getting a coffee.
Yes, I'm getting a coffee because I don't do ice cream, as people probably already know. I've had crisps though.
I've got my ice cream. What did I go for again? I've forgotten. Jammy Dodger and
Some cookie
dough something
or something.
in my cute
Chocolate
cup.
chip cookie dough.
Chocolate chip cookie dough. How's yours?
Very vegan-y. Dairy free.
My vegan raspberry ripple is delicious.
Oh, just cream them
It's
crotch.
delightful,
Delicious.
darling.
Made a spillage there, Matt.
Beautiful.
Cream them crotch.
That ice cream was delicious, wasn't it?
That was
Very nice.
Did you enjoy yours? Yeah.
It was very tasty.
Yum, yum, yum. Now we're off to Chester. You'll see that in the next video. So keep making memories.
Catch
catch you later.